You know those morning when you open your Facebook and you see someone has already tagged you in a post that has nothing to do with you or your brand, and you're there like, okay, wait a minute, how is this even part of my own business? The thing is, when someone tags you in a post, that post can appear on your personal page, your business page, or even your Facebook profile, and everyone following you can see that post. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to control who tagged you and how you can review tagging before they even appear on your page. Open the Facebook app, tap on Menu, tap on Settings and Privacy icon, scroll down and select Profile and Tagging. Scroll down to the Reviewing section. Make sure you turn both review option on so that you'll be able to approve posts you are tagged in before they appear on your profile. To do it on your Facebook page, go to your Facebook page, tap on Menu, tap on Settings and Privacy icon, scroll down and select Page and Tagging. In the Reviewing section, make sure you turn these two options on. Now, anytime someone tags you, whether it's on your personal account or your page, you will get a notification to approve it first. No more random posts showing up without your permission. And that's it. You now have full control over what tags appear on your Facebook. If this helped you, like, share, follow for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!